in last class we discussed perfect tenses, that's present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Today let us discuss perfect continuous tenses, and when we say perfect continuous tenses, perfect continuous is common factor that will be applied to all form like present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. So, look at first the rules for construction of sentence. In present perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has, have, been plus verb plus ing. So, this as clear with the name present perfect continuous tenses, it has half character of progressive tense, that is continuous tense, and half character of perfect tense. This is why it is combination of both perfect continuous tenses. So, this you see has and have, this comes from present perfect tense where you use has and have. Then verb first form plus ing, this comes from continuous tense. So, this is present perfect continuous, combination of both continuous and perfect form of tense. Has, just like present perfect tense, has is used with third person singular number, he, she, it or any third person singular number. Have is used with all the other subjects like I, we, you, they, means first person singular plural, second person singular plural and third person plural number. So, this is the rules for construction, the formula to be followed for present perfect continuous. You can see here, compare subject like I, subject, and then with I what will come? Have. So, here it is have. I have been teaching for several years. It shows continuity of action. With I, have. You, we also, suppose say you, they, I, even with we also. So, you have, they have, we have been teaching for several years. Now, look at has. This has comes with third person singular number. When subject is third person singular number, there shouldn't be any confusion. So, here she, it, he or any third person singular number. So, she has been studying for 3 years. It has been studying, he has been studying for 3 years. But here one thing is to remember that when it talks about period of time, like here you can see several years, period, for is used with period of time, maybe period of 5 minutes or hours or days, weeks, months, years and decades, then for will come. Example, say I have been teaching for 3 decades. So, here decades or say weeks or months, years, days, minutes, hours, all these are period, hours, days, months, weeks, decades. So, before period always for will come. But when it talks about, when we talk about definite time, exact time, accurate time, then for should not come, it will be since. For example, say since 9 a.m., since 9 a.m., since Monday, since morning, since 15th August, since 1980. So, when we talk about definite, accurate and exact time, then since is used. not for. So this difference in use of for and since to be kept in mind. So this was present perfect continuous. Now look at past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous is easier than present perfect continuous because here you use only one helping verb, that is had, with all kinds of subjects, whether first person, second person, third person, singular, plural, with all kinds of subjects you can use had. So had been verb first form plus ing. Look here, for example, past perfect continuous. I had been teaching, he had been studying, you had been studying, they had been studying. Now come to future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous, E plus what will come here? E plus this ing. E plus ing come there. So subject plus shall will plus have plus been plus verb first form plus ing. So here it will be first form V1. ing is always suffixed and added in plain basic form of verb, that is first form of verb. You can't suffix ing to past form of verb. It has to be basic plain form, that is V1, first form of verb. So this subject shall or will have plus been plus verb first form plus ing. For example, look here, I shall have been teaching, he will have been studying. So this is future perfect continuous tense and affirmative. Now making negative also, you see negative statement as it is given here. So this negative statement, perfect continuous negative statement, here this, like I have not been teaching for several years, only not is to be inserted and then it becomes negative. Presence of not makes it negative. So everywhere between affirmative statement and negative statement of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous is that negative term nor not is inserted, rest remains same. I hope that present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous you have understood. I take it very easy to learn and don't miss the class, just keep watching. I will be taking up question tag in the next class and then many other chapters of grammar. This will help you a lot to clear all your doubts. Just think English is easy with me. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing and subscribing. Thank you so much.